In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Davinci Resolve. So first of all you need to go to Davinci Resolve and you need to open your project. And for the demo I'm going to use this media. So I drag my media to the timeline and my file with the green screen. And what I want to do is I want to remove this green screen so that my dinosaur can walk through this office. So if I play it now, you will see that it looks like this. So you don't see the office, you only see the dinosaur. And now we're going to remove the green screen. So first you need to select the footage with the green screen. And then you go to Effects. And over here you go to Open Effects. And now you need to scroll down a bit, or you can also use the search button. But you need to find the 3D keyer. So now you can drag and drop it onto the file with the green screen. And now you can use the 3D keyer. So let's remove the effects. And you need to select the file again with the green screen, and then you go to this button over here. And you will see Open FX Overlay. So you select that one. And now you can draw the part that needs to be removed. So I want to remove this part, like the green screen. And as you can see now the green screen has been removed. So if I play the video again, it will look like this. So it's like a moonwalking dinosaur in the office, so pretty cool, isn't it? I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was the case, please leave a like and see you in the next video.